Okay, another pre-frost little look. So I did a video last year about the pollinator part of our yard, and um, so I just wanted to show you. This is golden ragwort. It's native in Indiana. It's this really cute little daisy flowers, and just so you can see the leaves, so you can identify it. So it's kind of got this little scallop where the stem meets the leaf, and it's kind of got toothy edges, and it's kind of oblong. Um, anyway, this is a great native plant. I think I had one plant when I quit mowing the lawn. I saw this one plant and I left it and found out what it was, and was like, oh, that'll be a great plant to have back here. And um, and so just periodically I move them around, and now I know I I want some more of this elsewhere. Really great pollinator plant for our early pollinators. It is an early spring flower, obviously. But anyway, since we may be getting a frost, I just thought I'd show you how cool this is. So, you can, if you find this in your yard, or even if you purchase some, um, by leaving the stems and letting the seeds disperse, um, you can get more. And so this is, really what pollinators like when there are large groups of flowers. Um, that way they don't have to fly so far in between, um, flowers that they visit. So anyway, hoping we don't get frosted, crossing my fingers. But have a great day. Bye.